Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to be making a different kind of video. I know my videos are usually geared towards how-tos and a little bit of instructional and how to do things, but I kind of wanted to get out of my comfort zone and try something different. Today I have for you a what's in my tech bag video. I love watching these types of videos. I watch them all the time, so I figured why not make one of my own. A lot of the tech bag videos I watch are usually geared towards students or people that just have like cool tech gadgets. I've never really seen one that's like kind of geared towards work. And so I guess this can be more like a what's in my tech bag as a software engineer. I hope y'all enjoy it. This right here is my tech bag. I think it's a Nike tactical backpack that I got a while ago. This is what I've been rolling with for a while. I keep all my tech in here. If I'm on call, I always keep this backpack with me with all my on-call items. If I travel or go anywhere and need a backpack, this is just the one that I use pretty much by default. Let's take a walk through this. In the side pocket right here, I have essentially a first aid kit. I have a bunch of like bandages, Neosporin, like burn gel. I even have some medication like Advil and whatnot. You never know. Sometimes people get hurt or I get hurt and I'll need something to patch me up. So keep that on the side. On the other side, right here, I have my portable charger. It's a RAV Power Smart Charger. It's 16,750 milliamps. This thing is awesome. It also has a built-in light. I am severely directionally challenged, so I have this ongoing fear of my phone dying and then I'll be lost forever. I'm the type of guy where if you drop me on the block that I was raised, I'll still somehow manage to get lost. So yeah, definitely need this. Keep the phone fully charged so I don't get lost. Let's move into this pocket. First, I have Chapstick. My lips get super dry, and here in Oregon, it gets really cold. And so when it gets cold, my lips get really dry, and so I need this, otherwise it'll crack and my lips will start bleeding. These AirPods Pros, these are my go-to everyday headphones. I pretty much have these on all the time. They're super nice. People don't like the earbuds, but I don't mind. I love the audio quality. I have my wallet. It's just a regular card holder wallet. I like card holder wallets because I don't want like a super bulky wallet in my pocket. I have wires. This one's to charge my phone. It's also to charge my AirPods as well. I always have a bunch of pens with me. Here are just a couple of them. This one is from the Venetian that I stole. This one is from the Cosmopolitan that I also stole. You can tell when I was in Vegas, I just decided to just take all the pens. This is a must for me. Nail clippers. I have a really bad habit of biting my nails. And so when I'm traveling or on the go, or honestly sometimes like when I'm at work or in the office and I just need to take a break, I'll just go and like clip my nails. It's kind of weird, so I always keep these on me as well. Now we're moving into the big pocket. This is my work laptop. You can tell by all the stickers. It's a MacBook Pro, 13-inch. I think 13 inch is the best screen size. Big enough for me to work on it, even if I don't have any monitors and not feel like I have like no real estate, but small enough that it's compact and portable and I can take it on the go. So thank you, Amazon. I'm actually due for an upgrade in the next 6 months. I always keep 2 notebooks on me. I keep this to track my tasks. I make a lot of checklists and whatnot, and that goes in here. And then all my notes, designs, diagrams, ideas, plans, I'll do that in the bigger notebook. This is actually kind of running out of space, so I will be upgrading these soon as well. These are just what I got from work when I onboarded, and I'm still using them now. So love these things. I'm old fashioned and I just like to write things down. I have an e-reader. In this case, it's a Kindle. Love the Kindle. The Paperwhite display is awesome. You can still read in the dark. I really enjoy like kind of the texture of the screen. I actually have textbooks on here as well. When I initially started working at Amazon, I actually joined a technical book club. And one of the books, it's like a textbook, it was offered on the Kindle. In the final big cavity, I have an extra keyboard. In this case, the keyboard is a Topper Switch keyboard. This is a Happy Hacking Professional 2. My girlfriend actually got this for me, looped it, and added some new keycaps on it. I think I have a video on that on my channel, so feel free to watch that video if you're interested. But yeah, no, this is an awesome keyboard. This was like my daily driver for a long time, but now since I built a new mechanical keyboard, I keep this one on the go. You never know when you need a better keyboard. I can't deal with the butterfly switches sometimes on my MacBook, so sometimes I'll need this. Here are my Sony headphones. These are the noise canceling ones. I love these. I love the leather feel of the headband and the ear cups. It's super comfy. It doesn't feel like it's clamping on my head like a claw too much. And it does a really good job of isolating outside noise. If I'm on a plane or if I'm working in the office, which has like this really loud HVAC system, and I just like can't take it, I have to have these on just so it blocks out all the other noise so I can really focus. Here I also have, an aux in case I don't want to use the wireless. I also have this audio jack splitter. Really good for travel, by the way. If you're traveling with a partner and you're sitting next to each other on a plane and you want to share like audio, this is awesome. Big fan of the audio splitter. Get you some on Amazon. And then in here I also have just I think it's a 30-watt power brick, 30 or 25-watt power brick. Finally, going into one of the inner pockets, I have my charger. Definitely need this for my laptop. If it dies and I'm on call and I'm out, that's a huge problem, so I need this. I have my adapter, USB-C adapter. It has my YubiKey, which is my authentication tool to get on the Amazon VPN. A lot of our internal tooling and web apps are hosted on there, and they're not available to the public. You have to be on the VPN. And so I definitely need this, otherwise I can't authenticate and do anything. So it's a must. This also has a little adapter for the HDMI port, so I can like hook it up to another monitor if I need to. Even if I'm somewhere else, I can hook it up to like TV. I have my badge. This badge will key me into the building. I also like the way it looks. It's a pretty clean looking badge. And sometimes, for some reason, if I'm out and I need to get into the office for whatever reason, I'm glad I'll have this so I can at least key in and use the tech locker, or if I need to pick something up or just stop by. I always keep with me a deck of cards. You never know when you'll need to kill time. This is mainly like a travel thing, and these are, I think, waterproof as well. So if you're like by the pool or something, you still want to play, these are a must. I have extra masks. These are the KN95s. These are mainly for when I'm on an airplane or traveling and walking through an airport. Yep, and that's pretty much it. That's a walkthrough of my bag. That's nothing more to it than that. Hope you all enjoy the video and hope this was interesting. Thank you for watching.